Hi children, looking at the Roman symbols, the 7 main symbols 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000, we are going into look at the rule number 4. Let's see what does the rule number 4 say. Rule number 4. What does the rule number 4 tell us? Okay, the rule number 4 says only the numerals when I say numerals, the Roman numerals, only the numerals 1, okay, numerals 1, 10 and 100. 1, 10 and 100, only the numerals 1, 10 and 100 can be subtracted. Can be subtracted. Can be subtracted from. Only these numbers 1, 10 and 100 can be subtracted from higher numerals. Higher Roman numerals. Okay? Higher numerals. 1, 10 and 100 can be subtracted from the higher numeral. Next, the numerals, second one is the numerals 5, 50 and D, that is 500. The numerals 5, 50 and 500 can or are never, they are never subtracted. Okay? This can be subtracted, but 5, 50 and 500 are never subtracted. Never. You cannot subtract at all. That's what it says. Yeah? So, 110 and 100 can be subtracted, but 550 and 500 can never be subtracted. That's the rule number 4. Now, let's look at it very carefully. Now, first, you have Roman number 1 and Roman number 10. Now, look at it. Roman number 1 and Roman number 10. Now, what do you get here? What do you call this number? The Roman numeral 1 can be subtracted from the higher numeral. So, this is 1 and this is 10. And what do we call this? We call this 9, because from the 10 take away 1. So, what do you call this number? This number in the Roman numeral, you call this 9. Alright. Now, let's look at another. Now, you have here 1 and I am having here 5. Roman numeral 1 and then I am having Roman numeral 5. Now, 1 can be subtracted from the higher numeral 5. So, we call this in Roman numeral from the 5 take away 1, we call this as number 4. Okay. Next, now we are looking at C and D. Let's go to C. I am putting C, which is 100, and D, which is 500. Now what happens? Okay. C can be subtracted from the higher numeral D, which is 500. C can be subtracted from the higher numeral, which is D. So now we get from 500, take away 100. We call this CD as good 400. We call this CD as 400. Now, let's look at another number. Now, I have here 5 and then 1. 6. What do you call this number? 1 can be subtracted from the no. The Roman numeral 5 never gets subtracted. The rule says Roman number 5 can never get subtracted. So, 5 we have here and 1 we have here, and we call this number 6. Now, let's look at another number. Okay. Now, let's look at L, which is 50. L is, what is L? L is 50, and then this is 10. Okay. Now, it says L is 50, L never gets subtracted, never subtracted. 5, 50, and this is 500. I never subtracted. So, what is this number? This number is 50 and this is 10. So, in Roman numeral, we call this 50 plus 10, 60. We call this number as 60. Are all right? 60. Now, D. Now, let's look at another number, D, which is 500, and then L, which is 50. Now, what number is this? Okay, it says D never gets subtracted. What is D? 500. What is L? 50. So, 550. What is the number? 550. This is 550. So, 550. This is the number. All right. Now, let's look at 1, 5, 10, 50, and 100, 500, 1000. These are the 7 main characters or 7 main symbols in Roman numeral. Now, the rule number 4 says only the numerals 1 and 10 and 100 can be subtracted from the higher numeral. That it follows higher numeral. Now, the Roman numerals 5, 50 and 500 never subtracted. That's what we have done. Now, we have 1 here and we have 10 here. So, it says only the numerals 1 can be subtracted from the higher numeral. Higher numeral is 10. From 10 take away 1. So, this we call it as 9 in the Roman numeral. Now, you have here C and you have here D. What is C? C is 100 and D is 500. What does it say? C can be subtracted. C is 100. So, from the 500, take away 100, you call this CD in Roman numeral as 400. Let's look at 1 and 5. The Roman numeral 1 can be subtracted from the high numeral 5. So, we call this 1 and 5. We call this 4 in Roman numeral. Let's look at 5 and 1. It says 5. Roman numeral 5 can never be subtracted. So, 5 and 1, 6. Now, Roman number 50 and 10. Now, it says 50 cannot be subtracted. So, 50 plus 10, 60. Now, D says D can never be subtracted and D is 500 and L is 50, 550. Next, we learn to form numbers in Roman numeral.